There's Talon, and she is being stalked by two magpies. That one and that one. Really pretty smart birds. Similar to ravens, actually. And there's Talon. Oh, there she is. Look at her bounce around. He looks so goofy. The birds are just after her. In a playful way, though. They actually brought dog bones into my yard one time. Yep. We thought the neighbor was trying to choke the dogs, and we re-looked up my security cameras, and the magpies were delivering her bones. Yes, I swear. They are friends of her. It's hilarious. Look, here they come again.